Happy 2012, guys. This is Bob, 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. This is the follow-up on the cleaning and pressure testing of a completely rebuilt set of 4.2 liter Vortec V6 engine Multech 2 EFIs. I've got the pressure brought up to 43.5 psi, which is 3 bar. Notice the fire extinguisher. Compressor's all set. 3 bar on the pressure gauge. And this is a completely rebuilt set of EFIs. And notice this time I pulled and left off the safety lock clips for the Multech 2 because they're just a pain in the ass to have to mess with. So let's bring up start testing these out. Right off the bat I can see that there's a lot of air that it's purging, so I'll use both of them at the same time. And these actually are a lot louder than the first set that I tested. I'm out here on the very end of the number 6 fuel rail, pressing these buttons individually. And once again, I'm using the OTCs, the dual OTCs, and I want to mention dinofab.com, www.dinofab.com, and Dino Segovas for being kind enough to give me the wherewithal to build this from his schematic. A fully automated version of these dual OTCs, which are expensive. They're about $1 a piece. So that's $200 right there if you were serious about making one of these for a shop, for example. But anyway, I hope in the next month or so to cobble together one that can activate all 6 like these are doing right here. And I'm noticing that they move the fluid a lot cleaner . And the other one, I'm just tapping one of these. It's a little sleepy here. Try to make sure that they're all working. And this one looks like it's either electrically dead. Let me pull the... Yeah, I don't have it pressed all the way in. Try it now. Nope. Wake up, injector. There we go. You can see the air coming out of it. I just had to give it a tap. Now, after I got through rebuilding these, I put a good sort of a squirt, excuse me, inside of it with 3-in-1 oil, just to lubricate that little stainless steel spring-loaded pintle that's in there. Because what happens is they can get, if they're not hydrolocked from sitting there and dried up so long, they can get kind of funky. And they need a little bit of encouragement to get going. Now, the one thing I did here that I wanted to mention is that I took a block of wood I was working with and tapped the top of the rail. And when I activate this, you'll see an air bubble line right here that moves up and down. All this air came out of the rail and settled in through the 2 lines up at the top, like bubbles settling to the top of a champagne jar, or a bottle rather, sorry. And you can see that as it's pressurized, I'm going to raise my bar a little bit, back up to 43.5, exactly 3, whoops. Anyway, that little bubble of air stays right in there, and it just moves enough as the cleaning fluid is cycled through the injectors. But I'm happy with the rebuild. Now I know that they all actuate, and now that I'm just doing a super clean on them of whatever residue I might have left inside there. And my next phase video will be flow balance test in this full set of 6. Okay, this is Bob 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. See ya.